dear viewers, this is Maaz, Khawaja, founder of askmaaz.com. Dear viewers, today we will discuss 5S of housekeeping. You know what are the 5S? Sort, set, shine, standardize and sustain. So I'll teach you that how to implement those 5S at your workstation. Oh gosh, what a messy workstation do I have? Now follow the 5S rule. Number 1, sort. Sort means get rid of all those items that I rarely use. I don't use them frequently. Only I'll keep those things that I need the most. I don't need you today. Bye bye. Ahmed, go to your place. I don't know this. Yes, it might be used later on. Keep it. Mobile, what are you doing here? I don't need you as well. I don't need you as well. Sorting done. Now settings. Setting means organization. Organize all your items, materials at your workstation or workplace. So I'm going to set my table to everything is set. Now third S, shine. Shine means cleanness. Clean your workstation or your workplace. Ta-da! Cleaning done. Now standardize. Standardize means that set rules and guidelines for this cleaning activity. And final one is sustain. Sustain means that make this 5S part of your habit. Follow it daily.